Hello everyone. Let's see how can set up advanced commission rules in Afflr. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once there, open the Afflr affiliate marketing app and you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Start by heading over to the Program section. Here, you can either select an existing program or create a new one. Let's go ahead and click on the Add Program button. Choose a program and then click on Create the Program to get started. Great! Your program has been created. You should now be on the Update Programs page. Scroll down slightly, and you'll notice the Advanced Commission Rules section. This is where you can set up sophisticated affiliate commission rules. To begin, click on the Add Rule button. A pop-up window will appear where you can start crafting your commission rule. Begin by giving your rule a title. In the Commission section, provide details on how affiliates will earn commission under this rule. You can choose to apply this rule to specific products or collections. If you select specific products, you can manually search for them or use the Browse function to tick the checkbox of the desired product. Once you've selected your product, click on the Select button to confirm your choice. Moving down, you can determine the commission type, either as a percentage or a fixed amount. If you opt for percentage, specify the percentage amount. Customize this to fit your unique requirements. Now, under the Conditions section, decide which affiliates this rule will apply to. You can choose to apply it to all affiliates or select specific ones. For this example, let's apply it to all affiliates. Feel free to add a description to your commission rule, although this is optional. You can also schedule the rule by setting a start date and time. If needed, you can set an end date for the rule as well. To set an end date, check the box and specify the end date and time according to your needs. Once everything is set, click on the Save button. Congratulations! Your advanced commission rule is now active. You can edit it anytime by clicking the Edit Customize button in the Actions section. If you decide to delete this advanced commission rule, simply click on the Delete icon. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.